Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review CARRD, a simple and affordable website builder perfect for one-page website. We will break down the pros, cons, pricing and help you decide is it the right choice for you in 2025? Let's dive in. CARRD is a drag-and-drop website builder made for a responsive one-page website. It's great for portfolio, landing page, personal website, and small business. And the best part, you don't need any coding skill. Now let's start with the pros. First, beginner friendly. Just drag, drop, and build. No tech skill you need. Second, budget friendly. It has a free version and the pro plan starts at just $90 per year, and yes, just per year. Third, modern template. Get access to clean, responsive design that work great on both mobile and desktop. Then, fast loading. CARRD sites load quickly, perfect for SEO and great user experience. And lastly, custom domains. With the Pro plan, you can connect your own domain for a professional look. Now, let's talk about a few downsides. Limited features. CARRD is only ideal for simple website. No e-commerce, no advanced form, and limited plugin. Second, free plan limitations. Includes ad, limited templates, and no custom domain. Then, basic SEO settings. You only get the basics one, but not the full optimization toolkit. And lastly, fewer integration. Compared to other platforms like Wix or WordPress, CARRD doesn't support many third-party tools. So here's how CARRD's pricing work. Free template, they give you basic templates, CARRD's branding and limited control. Pro plan, $90 per month, so no ad, custom domain and premium templates. Pro Plus plan, which is $49 per month, which gives you unlimited site and advanced features. Still, one of the most affordable website builder on the market. So, who is it really for? CARRD is perfect for freelancer, creative designer, personal blogger or resumer, or small business needing a quick online presence. If you need a very clean, simple and fast site, then CARRD is good for you. But if you need advanced features like store or deep integration, you may want to look elsewhere. So to wrap it up, CARRD is one of the most affordable, easiest tool out there for building beautiful one-page website, not built for complex need, but perfect for landing pages, portfolios, and personal projects. If you find this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop your question in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.